There's a pattern many people learn early on that staying connected means staying agreeable, that being loved requires being low maintenance, that taking up less space keeps relationships intact. So we soften our needs, we quiet our reactions, we minimize what matters to us, not because it's true, but because it feels safer. But connection that requires you to shrink isn't connection, it's accommodation. When you consistently make yourself smaller, your body keeps track. Tension builds, resentment grows, and eventually, even closeness can start to feel exhausting. You're allowed to be fully present without disappearing. You're allowed to have needs, opinions, and limits and still belong. Today's shift is this: you don't have to shrink to stay connected. The relationships that can hold you don't require you to be less. Now let's say that together. I don't have to shrink to stay connected. The relationships that can hold me don't require me to be less. Real connection makes room for your fullness. Belonging shouldn't cost you yourself.